Finally, my AliExpress packages arrived. I have no idea what I ordered anymore. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then let's start with the smallest package. What do we have here? Let's see. Power bank. I have a few batteries left over from different use cases. 1200 milliampere hours. Okay. Oh, okay. Cool. Cool, because I don't have a power bank. This will help me instead of soldering it down. Last one. The whole time I searched for a monitor, for a little monitor, to have it on my next screens. Oh, this looks quite no. Okay, there's only plastic. It's not that bad. It's only plastic. Really cheap speakers inside of there, but it doesn't matter. We've got a on-off button, a menu rocker, and 3.5 inch. We've got USB, and HDMI, mini HDMI. Okay, well, okay, and there is rubber under it to have it so it won't slip away. Cool. Can I hook it to something up? Hooking it up to my phone. Oh, works. It shows my screen. Without anything else, it's just cable. I can here change some things like volume, language, something else. I'm happy with this thing. I'm thinking about putting it here, like a smaller screen. Additionally, maybe I'll order another one to have one here, one there. Now I had to buy them. Where is the front? Where's the back? Can you tell? Okay, here's a line with. Kind of. You see the difference between the color. Because you can see that immediately. If I have both, wait. Let's take. Did it get ripped off? It's already broken! I broke it already, I believe. Oh no! I can't pull it too much because I will rip it. Oh no. Look, Ma. This looks kind of weird, doesn't it? Well, let's check out the next item. T-shirt. Berserk t-shirt. Okay. That's the thing, and on the back, that's why I bought it, because it also have. I don't like it if t-shirts only have something on the front. Like for example this. Isn't that a t-shirt? Necromancer, but on the back, there's nothing. It's kind of sad. Let's double check that. Size L. A little bit tight. Good that it's stretchy. But a little bit tight. Good that it's stretchy, but it. Oh, that will. I believe that will not hold long. I should wash that first. Next item. Yeah. What's inside here? I ordered not only the bigger version, not only that one, but also a smaller version. I've got like 12 of those here. 4 inside here for a bigger power bank. This one I believe was smaller. Yes, 3 inside here for a kind of smaller power bank. Does it fit? Yes, great. Next item. Great. My capacitive fingerprint sensors. A little project where I want to read out my fingerprint and then send some text. I have bought 2 of them. I already ordered a few. None of them are working. Maybe because of me, maybe because I connected them wrong. You put the battery like this inside and then have a small power bank. Kind of flimsy metal, but I really don't like micro USB part. Okay, now bigger package. Sleeves! I remember! I have completely dirty arms and then scuffed up arms. The idea is to have them when I'm outside in the sun or here a little bit gaming or something else, when I'm laying down on something, that have a little bit protected. Nice. They fit, kind of. A little bit too big, a little bit too stretchy. Because I have, like here, a little bit too much. Could be a bit shorter. Okay, next package. Another small power bank. Also micro USB. What the hell did I order? Then we've got this thing. Same, but a little bit more stylish. A little bit more stylish and shorter, what fits my needs a bit. Also tighter a bit. You can, whoops, you can slide around. Cool. Not tight. Next one. Okay, with a cable inside of it already, and USB-C, and a button to check the battery status. Hey, this ain't bad, but kind of similar already to this one here. Does it fit? It fits. Okay, let's hope the next one isn't the power bank. I remember what that is. Different in the picture. This is really weird because it's really light, but also looks like plastic. At least those are inside of it. Now let's see. It didn't cost much, but that one is bad. Next item. Like a USB cable, and you can see how much it charges. Adapter in, cable in, I don't see, there it is, 100 milliamp. I don't see. So what else do we have? At last. So. Full contact, no weight. What are these? I remember you have a little hole here. Instead of watering it the whole time, every day, you put a little bit of water in here and it waters itself slowly through the week, and you only need to water them once. I need to read the description again. Next item, there it is, the adapter. Zack. Oh, already started. And 1 watt. I can test that with the power banks later on. Oh! Okay. This will be the last one. This will be the last. Oh! We got an USB hub? A USB hub. I remember why. Because I've got one iPad to get data, power, and then everything at once hooked to the tablet. Another cable? Get out of here. And it's braided. That's cool. Put that in here. 1 watt. Okay. Another USB-C hub. You know for what I'll use that. Then another one to check the wattage. I believe it was the same. I haven't opened that up. But we've got this thing here. First of all, that is a belt. But I don't know if you see that, all those, you see that? All those hair, oh, this is not hair, this is not stretchy at all. I believe this is really cheap. Well, last cable, promised. Even more braided, 240 watt. Short test. It lights up already. 1 watt. What? Okay, I mean at least it works. Quite the journey. Some of this is garbage, I believe. I'm really happy with the screen. Hope you enjoyed the ride with me. See ya.